Everybody, welcome sa aming channel, The Lindsay's Vlog. So, nandito tayo sa labas ngayon, guys. Kasi nagluluto ako ng inihaw. Kasi today is Clay's celebration birthday, 4th birthday, guys. Is Saturday, is September 9. Pero yung actual na birthday niya talaga ay September 6. So, ngayon lang namin sinelebrate kasi busy nga, so kailangan namin itaon ng Saturday talaga para magkaroon ng time sa pagluto, sa pag-prepare, para naman magkaroon ng ano ba, yung bang parang kunting celebration, pero family lang naman. So nandito tayo sa labas ngayon, ayan yung aking inihaw. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong nandun sa loob ng bahay. So let's go. Ipapakita ko muna ito sa inyo kung ano-ano yan. Chicken lang naman siya at saka pork. Kasi para ano lang siya, para pang dagdag sa handa. Ay ating ipapakita sa inyo yung loob, guys, kung anong mayroon. Exciting! So dito tayo ngayon sa loob. So ngayon ay busy ako dito. Ang ano talaga, guys, takbo as in papuntang labas, pabalik dito kasi nagluluto din ako dito. So ito yung may pansit tayo dito, may cheesy casserole tayo. Mayroon tayong ham sa loob. So mamaya ay papakita ko yan sa inyo. So ngayon ay dito muna tayo sa table. So yan yung decoration. O diba? Yan. Yan siya, guys. Simple lang na pagka-decorate. Kasi ano lang naman, kami lang din naman. So kailangan lang talaga na kunting decoration para naman matuwa yung ating chikiting, kasi every year, guys, ginaganyan ko sila tuwing may birthday nila. Yan. So ayan, spider ang team ni Clay. Spider yung niya, gusto niyang kulay. Yan. So ito yung niya. Ito yung cake niya. O diba, ang cute. So, yan. Yan yung simple na decoration. Yan. So, yan lang siya, guys. So, mamaya ay papakita ko din sa inyo yung ating mga niluto. Yan. Nga, guys, yun yung simple na decoration lang sa loob, So, nandito tayo ulit sa labas. Kasi chine-check ko yung aking inihaw. Yung iba nasunog. Ayan, Hindi naman as in sunog na sunog, guys. As in lang yan, bang may itim lang sa gilid-gilid. Kasi ganun talaga, hindi maiwasan yun eh. So, sa aligaga kung man naman, guys, aligaga. May niluluto ako sa loob, may niluluto din dito. So, wala kasi pwedeng tumulong sa akin. So, kailangan kong i-adjust. So, nasunog yung iba. Hindi naman as in sunog na sunog, guys. Okay lang siya. So, ayan. Hindi naman as in itim na itim talaga siya. As in, talaga siya. Okay pa naman siya. So, ayan. Mamaya ang party. Yeah.
Yeah. It's a transformer.
Thank you.
How scary you got?
It's good. Hard.
You know what that is?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll give you something to play with while Mom's cooking.
What you gonna say?
Let's go play.
Clay, what you gonna say? Thank you. The meat.
Destroyed.
He cut the meat, guys. Cut the meat. Ham.
It's the meat.
Go! Done na ang ating food. Ready to dig in na. Yan yung ni Clay. Handa ni Clay. Yan, may salad kami. Yung egg rolls, pansit. Giling! Come on now. Yan, inihaw. Yan. Si Habi naglalagay na ng plate. Here's Clay, the birthday boy. Say hi.
Hi.
How old are you? 4.
4.
Very good.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Bless you. So, ayan guys. Kain na kami.
Here, Clay.
I don't know.
Right.
Are you guys enjoying the food?
Yes.
We are.
Yeah.
We're all going to do it at one time. We're going to put our cups in the middle. So, cheers.
Eat the noodles, be.
Next is present time. No, next is the honey bread.
I don't know.
No. Next.
What phone is over there?
Mommy, I want more meat.
Yeah.
He says he wants more meat. He likes it.
Which can have it?
I need it.
Eat it. So, ano na guys? Ito na.
There
Happy
you go.
birthday na. Let him sit
Clay,
down in
sit
there.
down there.
Place it down.
Get out the
Yes.
plate, hon. And then the
Let's
glass.
move the glass.
Okay,
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Clay,
Clay.
Clay.
Happy birthday to you.
Clay.
Cha-cha-cha.
Yay!
Yay! Let's go.
Present for Clay.
Present time, Clay.
Present time. Go, go, go.
Present time. Which one do you want to open first? That one?
That one's from Cole. Let me see. I want to see here. What you got?
Whoa.
What you
I
got?
gave that to you.
Wow. The other one.
The other one.
Next one.
What's in there?
What's in there? Wow.
Clay, there's one more. There's
Wow.
one more present. This way.
No,
That's it.
bring it in here. Wow, Missy.
Wow.
What you got? My gosh, that's a good
So
one.
much present.
Mm-hmm.
Kai.
Now, wow. We have toys.
And Clay,
We
one
have
more present.
surprise
One more present from Mommy and Daddy.
from Mommy and Daddy. 2, 1. From Mommy and Daddy. My goodness. Yay. You like it? Yeah, big boy. Big boy, look at you. Oh my. Wow. Tapos na ang aming celebration for Clay's birthday, 4th birthday. So, ito nag-enjoy na siya. Naglalaro na ng mga gifts niya. Mga regalo.
I got the
Yan. Yung isa busy na sa paglalaro ng phone. Yan. Ngayon ay kakain na kami ng
This is the cake.
ating cake. Ating hihiwain. Ayan yung ating decoration. So, ayan, magki-cake na kami. At atin naliligpitin ang ating mga food kasi para may food tayo bukas. And guys, thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. Ayan, sana ay ito ma-remember ni Clay lahat ito. Paglaki niya kasi makikita niya sa white, kita niya ito. So ayan, dami pang food na natira kasi yung mga uncle niya at auntie dumating ng maaga. So, hindi na sila nag-wait sa food. Ano na lang, naghatid lang sila ng gifts sa kanya. So, ayan. Kami-kami lang talaga. As in, kami lang. So, at least, nag-import ako na ganyan yung ano niya ba, maliit na party. Kasi, sabi ko nga kanina, tuwing may birthday sila, ay may talaga, pinaghahandaan ko talaga. As in, hindi naman ganun kabungga ba, pero kahit papaano ay mayroong kunting handa at saka mayroong decoration na ma-remember nila talaga sa paglaki nila. O diba? Ayan guys, thank you for watching. Bye!
I see